Hello, right now we will make a quick unboxing of Xiaomi Poco X7. So let's get started. Right here, looking at the box, there is actually not much information about the phone on the box. But actually on this side, right here we have the information about the model of our phone, the color, and the memory and storage. Also we have two IMEI numbers, which tells me that this phone does support dual SIM. On the bottom side of the box you have a big icon that tells us that there is no charging adapter included with the phone, but next to this icon we have the recommendation of which charging adapter to use, and as you can see here it's recommended to use from 10 watts to 45 watts charging adapter. So if you're looking forward to buy this phone, keep that in mind for the future. So basically that's all about the box. Let's open up the box. And right here we have the phone. The phone comes in this protective foil, and right here we have information about processor, the display, camera, the dust and water resistance, and the battery capacity. So let me open up the phone. And right here, as you can see, that on this display we have some kind of foil or glass already applied on our screen. So that means this phone comes with the protective glass included. At the back of the phone, as you can see right here, we have 4 cameras. The lenses are pretty big actually. The design is very interesting. It looks like leather kind of. And alright, on the left side of the phone we do not have any buttons or so, but on the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. On the top we have a couple of different holes that might be microphones and some probably air blasters, I'm not sure though. And on the bottom right here we have the SIM tray, microphone, the speaker, and Type-C charging port. So that's all about the phone itself. Let me put that aside and let's take a look about the insides of the box. So let me take the box from here, and on the bottom of this box we have the pin to eject the SIM tray from the phone. And as we open the box we can see that here is the protective case, silicone case included in our phone. So that's very nice. It looks like this. It is black or kind of gray actually. Alright, next we have some Poco safety information right here, and quick start guide and warranty card. And the last thing we can find in the box is the charging cable. So as you can see, the only thing we do not have actually in this box is the charging adapter. So basically that would be all about the unboxing of our Xiaomi Poco X7. Now thank you for watching and please subscribe.